welcome. Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel with Judge Lynn. In this episode, we are going to learn how to prepare groundnut soup. In my recent journey to Auchi, I ate groundnut soup for the very first time, and I learned how to cook groundnut soup. So here is me teaching you how to prepare groundnut soup. So here is your groundnut. What you need your groundnut, fried groundnut here with the skin. You can still do it without the skin. Pepper. Then these two major ingredients. One is called achora and the other one ayasako. Now, the achora, you see it, I think, yes, that one that looks like alligator pepper is the ayasako. Yeah, it looks like alligator pepper, but it's not alligator pepper. Then this other one I'm holding in my hands right now is called the achora. Achora, yes. Look at it very well. It's found in where they sell pepper soup things. You can find this there. This pepper soup spice, yes. You can find it in those places. So these are the major ingredients you need. Then we have locust beans, of course. Locust beans. Hey, hope you have subscribed. Please don't miss out. Then bitter leaf and BOGAFISH. Yes, you need bitter leaf. You can also, if you don't want bitter leaf, you can use scent leaf, or you can add both. Then you have my protein. So I'm going with assorted beef and pomo. Yes, you can use smoked fish. You can use goat's meat. Whatever your desired protein choices, you can use it. But this is what I'm using for today. This is what I'm using now. Yes, assorted meat, beef and pomo. Hey guys, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will not miss out on my next video. Yes, this is the groundnut that is now blended with those two major ingredients I told you, the achora and the ayasako. Yes, it's been blended together with it, along with crayfish and BOGAFISH. Yes, that was how I was taught. Grind it with crayfish and BOGAFISH. Grind it with the spice, everything. Yes, you come out with your groundnut looking like this. So yeah, our groundnut is ready. Please subscribe. Ensure you subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Have you hit the button? Don't miss my next video. Now let's start cooking. So in the pot, put your meat, your onions, small salt, and seasoning cube, and let it, steam on its own, so that your meat can come out delicious. So allow it to steam. Then after like 4 seconds, you add in your locust beans, and you add water. Please be mindful of the water. The water should just be a little bit above the meat surface. Yes, just a little bit above it. Yes, be mindful of the water you put. Then you put your seasoning cube, add your stockfish if you are using stockfish at this junction. Add, like me, I added my BOGAFISH. Yes, you can have your stockfish at this junction if you are using stockfish to cook. Then oil. You add the oil. Yes. You can, if you like, the person that likes a lot of oil, you can add a lot of oil, but I was moderate my oil and my soup came out well. So add oil. You need oil, so add oil. So after adding your oil, you just close and let it boil. Let the meat you're using, any protein you're using, the cook time for that any protein you're using, allow it then to come out this way. Now when your protein is cooked, you then add your groundnut mix that have been blended. Then you just close. Please don't stir at this junction. Just close. Let the groundnut melt. The groundnut will melt. When you close, it will melt. Then after it will melt, it will come out thick or watery. But if you follow all that I've been saying, it will come out thick. So now if it's too thick, you can now put water to make it a little bit, not so thick, just to maintain the consistency you will enjoy. Now this is it. I love this consistency. It's a good one. Yes, yes. Have you subscribed? Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will not miss out on my next video. Okay, now we had our bitter leaf. If you're using scent leaf, you cannot add your scent leaf here, but if you're using both of them, you can add the two here. But for today, I go with bitter leaf. So you add your bitter leaf and stir. Please ensure you stir very well, because the groundnut is kind of, it's very thick, you know, especially this special I'm using. It's called Auchi. I don't know the English name, but it's called Auchi groundnut. It comes out very thick. It's a native groundnut in Auchi. It comes out very thick, very thick. In my next video, the video I titled Trip to Auchi, you see where I got this from. Then allow it to boil. Oh la la. After some time, say 5 minutes or so, you come back and you see your soup like this. When you see the oil on top of your soup, know your soup is ready. Your soup is what? Ready to be eaten. Oh la la. You can still allow it to still steam more after here, but for me it was okay at this particular junction. If you want it to still thicken and still, you know, boil it better, then you can eat it with, oh, look at that, look at how wonderful our soup came out. You can eat it with any swallow, pounded yam, eba, fufu, semo, but the best is with pounded yam. Man, you will love it. You will love it. Please tell me how your own came out at the comment section. Please prepare it. I want to know. Thank you.